So today I'll be teaching you how to coil a synthetic wig. I know not many of us have synthetic wig, and we just, once we've worn it for a couple of months, we just throw it away because it's already tangled. But I'm going to teach you how to coil a synthetic wig. I'm going to show you a practical example because the wig I used in this video has already gone. But I had to revive it and coil it at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So just stay tuned to the end of the video so you'll be able to know how to do it and not throw that your synthetic wig you have before away. And if you're a nice stylist, this video is for you to help your customers to be able to prevent their synthetic wigs from damaging. Hi guys, your girl Olari, and I want to talk about wigs and hairs. So if you're a new subscriber, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up for us. We appreciate you. So let's get straight to the video. How to coil a synthetic wig. So just stay and focus through to the end of the video to be able to understand how you go about it. Thank you. So what we are going to be doing here is applying our Hawaiian silky and our beautiful texture called final mousse, and watch the whole process as I'm doing it. So I'm going to be using our magnetic rollers to roll it too. See the way I'm doing it, just watch. And if you notice very well, I didn't apply water to this mixture the usual way we do it because of the method I'm still going to teach you guys. So just watch through this video, then I'll be explaining later. So after rolling the hair, this is how it looks after rolling it. See the way it's looking. So to curl the synthetic hair, we're going to be using the hot water method, whereby we're applying hot water on the hair. See the way I'm applying the hot water. And it's because synthetic is just like our attachment. Our attachment that we use for our braids, they are synthetic hairs too. And it's the same method we use to coil it whenever we want to coil it. So that's why I'm using this method. So yeah, I'll be unveiling our coils for our synthetic wig. This is me unveiling the coils after letting it dry for like 2 days. You know, synthetic doesn't hold water much, unlike our human hair. Our human hair, we leave it to last for like 4 to 5 days so that it will dry very well. But synthetic hair doesn't hold water too much. So this is me unveiling the coils. Kindly watch through to the end of this video. So this is the final look, guys. See the way it's looking beautiful. See the before picture. See the video rolling at the front upper parts, and see the after. See the way the curls are coming out. So you can revamp your synthetic hairs and coil it and give your customer the best. Thank you. I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to learn another style of coiling your synthetic wig rather than throwing them away. and I'm sure you're going to try with your wigs at home, your static wigs at home, rather than throwing it away, like I said. So thank you for sharing up today, and leave a comment under this post and like under this post, and subscribe if you've not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel. We love you. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.